On this new tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Twitter. We cannot send a text message to this phone number in less than 1 minute. So all what you wanna do, guys, is very simple. Open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps. Open the apps and then go to Twitter, and now go to the notifications management and then go to the priority display. Enable it like this. Make sure everything is enabled like this. Now go back, go to the home page, open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iOS. Go to the search bar, search for Twitter, and then click here on this update option. Now you need to wait a few seconds, it will start updating, and it's now updated easily and fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial until the end.